YouTube, what's up, you guys? All right, man, how you guys doing out there, man? I hope everyone's staying safe, doing good. All right, here we are with another video here today on the Mustang. What are we doing to the Mustang this time? Well, I've been kind of, taking a look at, different appearance mods and stuff, and boy, there's a whole bunch of stuff out there. Anyway, so today we are going to do something to this guy right here, that front lip spoiler. So it looks pretty cool. I mean, it's okay the way it is right now, and I'm not going to remove this original one. I'm just going to add one, an extension on this guy, and it's going to come out, just a little bit here. It's got like the wings similar to what I did on the edge. So yeah, but they're made specifically for the Mustang, right? So it's got that shape, especially for the tip right here, right? And the centerpiece and the other side and whatnot, right? So it will extend this guy out a little bit, and you see here, especially on the side, how it just barely sticks out a little bit right there on the edge, right? I mean, it just barely sticks out. What is that, like a ½ inch or so? So, with the other one, I'll show you right now, it'll stick out a little bit more. Plus it has the little wing that kind of comes up, carbon fiber as well. So let's take a look. All right, you guys, so here we are. Got the trunk open, a bunch of mess in here, a bunch of stuff in here. Just washed the car in the morning. And so yeah, let's take a look, man. So here, I'll open it up. So here's one of the front wings here. Looks like this is the right side, and as you can see, it already has the holes on this guy punched in, right? So again, these, and possibly what's gonna for those guys is you take off the original screw and possibly just go ahead and use it with this guy here. So let's take a look here and see if it fits, just to kind of see how it's gonna get mounted on here. So as you can see, it's got this this section here, this area where it just kind of sits in on your original spoiler, right? So you see that you just kind of mesh in the front with that section there, right? So you want to bump it right in there, and then it'll sit just like that, right to the edge. See? Oh, so it'll sit right to the edge, and you'll have a little bit of space in between, and you see what I mean by it coming up a little bit. So yeah, it just gives it a little bit, it looks really nice actually. So I'll have to kind of put them together, and then let's take a look down here at the bottom. So do not fit with the original screws. So you can see that one, for example, that screw is way back there, and the hole is way up here in the front. You see that? I'm not sure if you can see there in the camera. So yeah, it doesn't fit in with the original screws, you guys, as I thought it would. But it's okay, you drill some screws up in here. Nobody's gonna see, it's on the bottom side. So it's good. At least what I do like is it already has the screw hole in it. So that way you don't have to drill through this guy either, right? I mean, it's already there. You just boom, go with all the little holes that are already punched in here, and drill. I mean, just kind of screw them up on this guy here. So it should be very, very easy, very quick and simple. And I'll be putting some lock washers. I got some lock washers on for the screws, so we'll see if I can throw those on there. I don't know if I have them here. They might be in the other car, but I'll take a look. But yeah, that's pretty much it, you guys. Just very simple fit, plug and play pretty much. So with that, let me set up the camera and we'll get going. So here are all the pieces. As you can see, we got the little bag right there with the screws. So just kind of wanted to show you what it looks like here and how these go together. So as you can see, And probably what I'll do is I'll put these together now rather than piece by piece on the car. So that way, you know, we make sure that, you know, the screws that, you know, for these two, you know, for the sides that, you know, have to mount together, we want to make sure we get those mounted, you know, correctly. So looks like we got these spacers underneath, and the screw looks like it's going to go into these guys. So basically you want to put them inside. There you go. See how they go inside into their inserts, right? And then from the underside you just kind of screw it down, right? And so you want to keep them a little bit loose, so that way when you mount it on here you have a little bit of wiggle room. All right, you guys, so we got it done, man. It's really simple. I'm quite surprised. The hardest part was probably screwing down the three pieces together. It was so simple, you guys. It's really simple. Again, you know what makes it simple is because the cutouts, right? It's already molded to the original lip spoiler, right? So it's quite simple, man. Very easy. As you can see, we got the sides done there. Give you a side shot here, what it looks like around the front. Glossy carbon fiber. It looks really nice, man, especially with the black. It'll look good with any color. Yeah, so check it out, man. Nice, man. It just gives it a huge pop, you guys, in the front, man. Look at that. Bam. It looks really nice, man. And they're relatively inexpensive, man. I don't remember exactly how much, but I was like, damn, hell yeah, that's cheap, man. The only thing would be obviously if it was just one piece and it didn't have that little line there, right, showing that, you know, they're three pieces together. Nonetheless, it still looks really cool, man. Just gives it a huge pop on the car, man. Look at that from the side. As you recall from what it looked like when I first started in this particular position, and now look at the difference. I'll see if I can grab a clip of it and put them together here so that you can see the differences, side differences. I should have done a front shot as well, but yeah, still, man, it looks really cool, you guys, and it's really cheap too, man. So that's just another cool appearance mod you can do to your ride, man. This guy is looking sharp now, man. Holy crap. Yep, there it is, you guys. I'll leave it in the description below, so in case, like I said, if you're interested, then you can surely, you know, pick them up and slap them on your car, man. It took me all but 10 minutes. You know, maybe the hardest part was another hard part was jacking the car up so you can get up underneath, but I only jacked up one side. Once you jack up one side pretty good, pretty high, that's plenty to get you know, all the way across. I have, you can see my power drill over there, so with the power drill is, man, super easy. Just those drilled holes on this guy really help, man. So yeah, there you go, you guys. With that, that's pretty much it, man. Carbon fiber lip spoiler extension, man. Dang, look at that. Bam. All right, you guys, so with that, we'll end it, man. Please like and subscribe, you guys. Stay tuned, man. We got some more cool stuff coming up, man. So with that, we'll end it. All right, man. You guys stay safe out there. Peace.